everybody, I'm here with Mike from Headlight Solutions. How are you doing today?
I'm doing very well, Hannah. Thank you.
Yeah, it's great to have you here. So I'm just going to ask you a couple questions. What are the typical products and services a distributor buys from you?
Well, we do load and route planning software, so our big kind of marquee feature is an automated and optimized load and route planning system. So it will solve for the best way to run your trucks, basically to reduce costs, reduce mileage, reduce hours worked. And it'll do all sorts of interesting stuff, like it'll take into account traffic patterns and how long you take to stop at a customer, how many pallets a particular load might have, all that kind of information that's critical for building optimized routes.
That's great. And what is something a distributor might not know about Headlight Solutions and what your company offers?
So, well, the thing that is probably most unique about our company is that load and route planning solution. What many people don't actually realize is that we do way more than just that. So we do GPS truck tracking, we have a driver app, we do electronic proofs of delivery, we'll capture signatures for customers electronically. We have a freight bidding marketplace, which saves just a ton of money for people who are doing a lot of like common carrier loads. So while we really have this marquee routing platform, we actually do a ton more than that as well.
Wow, that's great. And lastly, are there any features that your products offer that are different from your competitors?
This is a funny question because in some ways it's all different. I would just say that our system takes a very industry-specific approach, and in the transportation management world, I'd say that there are a lot of generalists, not very many that really get into route optimization, and even fewer that are really specific to a particular industry. And when it comes to routing, because there's uniqueness about the types of products and the packaging and the trucks and all that sort of stuff, if you're not industry specific, like, you're nothing. So I think that's probably the biggest thing for us.
Okay, so you're new here to the association. Can you tell me a little bit about what made you join the association?
Sure. We have a very industry specific target, I should say, and so we are really only in this industry because we have been successful in really similar industries, and then we have been led here by customers who have basically discovered what we are doing in analogous industries and then said, hey, I think you could really help us. And so this basically happened with Indiana Oxygen for us. So Indiana Oxygen discovered what we were doing in chemical distribution fundamentally and said, hey, this is really a great opportunity for us, and basically brought us into this industry. And as we've kind of grown with them, they made it really clear that, hey, if you're going to be in this industry, you got to be part of GAWDA, and so here we are.